If you need to cancel a pending DoorDash transaction, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your orders. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to the Orders section, usually found in the menu or at the bottom of the screen. This will display your current and past orders. Step 3. Select the pending order. Find the pending order that you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view the details of the order. Step 4. Tap on Cancel Order. Look for the option to cancel the order. This may be labeled as Cancel Order or something similar. Tap on this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the order. Confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation process. Once you've completed these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for further assistance.